Okay, folks, this is Dr. Coonsberry, and I want to welcome you to our class here. This is uh, Firewall and Network Security. Uh, um, I'm going to be your online instructor for this course. Just a little bit about me. I live in Flymount, Texas, which is a good 5-hour drive from Odessa. But I'm going to not let the distance separate us here. So if you have any questions or whatever else, I'm only a phone call away. So please do not hesitate to call me. And I don't want the distance, the virtual aspect of this course uh, as a reason not for you to reach out to me if you need me. I've been teaching for a long time. I've been teaching for over 20 years, and the last 5 years has been mostly online. But I taught that in face-to-face environment quite a bit as well. So I understand some of the challenges that you face learning some of this material. But I'm here to help. Okay. The first thing I want to go over the office hours. Remember, I'm available every day from 4 to 7 p.m. You can call me, and this is dedicated time for your class. You can call me anytime between 4 to 7 p.m. Notice that it doesn't say p.m., but it is p.m. You can also reach me at my phone is ringing. That's why I had to check. But you can also reach me, at different times beyond those from 4 to 6 on Monday to Friday. If you need to, call me, and then if I'm busy, and I'll call you back or leave me a message. If you look at the blackboard, you'll see all my numbers there. And do not hesitate to call me. I'd like to hear from you. Just to talk, say hi, or whatever else you want to do, let me know. If I can help, I'll be glad to help. Okay, just a little bit about our class here. This is the discussion is very important. That's the place where I learn about you, and we learn about each other. You ask questions. That's our face-to-face time, right? You should post questions, any type of questions about the course, about the schedule, about your difficulties with the course, about what we should change or what I should do different. Any type of question you want to ask, this is going to be graded. So you're going to be able to get a total of 15% of your grade from the discussion section. We're going to have a tremendous amount of lab work. The whole course actually is a set of labs that I'm going to assign you. The assignments are very, very important. They count about 30% of your grade. Also, we're going to have a big midterm, which is going to be like a course project, and you're going to have. I'm going to assign this to you on week 4, and you'll have a week or two to finish it. And it is an individual project, and it's going to count 40% of your grade. And of course, we're going to have a final exam, which is going to be 15% of your grade. The final exam shouldn't be too bad. If you make it through the midterm, you should do fine with the final exam. Also, what I forgot to tell you here is that we do have live session, and the live session is a place for you to talk to me on a one-on-one or on a classroom type basis. And there is a bridge number that is on the website, and I will send that to you every week for you to join the live session. The live session has some lectures in it, and also some Q&A for you to ask questions and for me to answer. Okay, and I may ask you a question as well. Okay, now discussion is very important. Like I said, for this class, you need to post 3 items. Now, these 3 items can be anything. You need to post 3 items per week. Remember, that's how I know you are attending the course. If you do not post anything, then I would think you'll be counted as absent. So if you don't do an activity during a week, at least one activity, you are not present for that week. So you need to try to participate, at least do something every week for this course. Now, you can post anything you want to. I'll give you some examples here of what you can post, but do post items on the discussion board. The labs, as I said before, we're going to develop a complete firewall for this course, and it is critical that you do finish the lab. If you don't finish the lab, you won't pass the course, so you do need to finish the lab. I have talked to many of you already on a one-on-one basis, so you do need to get the lab done. The lab is a group project, so you can get together and do the lab because it requires some equipment. From a network security perspective, we won't have a lot of labs. We're going to do a VPN tunnel, we're going to do an IPsec tunnel, and we're going to do an SSL encryption. Exam, we're going to have the big exam, not as big as the midterm, but we're going to have the midterm. I talked about this. It's going to be a real life scenario where you're going to have to develop a solution. And for the final exam, it's a little bit easier because for the final exam, it won't be as complicated as the midterm, and it's going to last 2 hours. It's going to consist of multiple choices and some short answer questions. So, how do you get started? Well, start with posting an introduction on Blackboard in the discussion board. I want you to read the syllabus and ask any type of question this week on the syllabus. And I also want you to read chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. And I've asked you to download SmoothWall. So let's get going. Remember, I'm here. I'm not virtual. I'm here to help you. So I want you to pass do very well in the course. So let's get going and have a good semester. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.